Hello friend, today we are going to see how we can add the column or delete the column. Here you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 column. So I just want to add a city column after state. So we will see in this portion. So we will write the commands alter table and select the table name. That's the table name should be add with the city, and then will write the variable character. I have taken 50 and then close it, then select the commands, then execute it. Here you can see the commands completed. Some should be add after state, so it is before we have done before this execute. So I just wanna delete this window, and then I wanna repeat it again with the refresh. Yes, I can see here the city column has been added, and in this column I just want to add the value. So I took some random value from the insert table. I just want to add the city after Assam. So we will put the comma, then single quote, then write it the city name Guwahati. Then we'll select this command and execute it. You can see the command rows are affected. So like this you can update the column as well as the value inside the column. Yes, column has been added. I want to delete this column, so for that one I need to write the commands value. Yeah, I have added thrice, so I just wanna delete the column city. I don't wanna put the column city after state, so for that I have to write the commands alter table name, that is person identification 3. Then I have to write drop with column city, then select the data here like this one. We'll see, yeah, city. So right, we have to write, copy the commands, then execute it. Then again I see the completed successfully. So like this we can remove the column from your table. So this is very important to know how to add or delete the column, and that is going to help you in a very frequently in your process. So we will meet you again in the next videos for the new things. Thank you so much for watching.